C'est vraiment comme ça livrera dans la vidéo. Quand vous êtes prêt,
Hello, good morning. My name is Roman. I am from Magazino. It is a company in Germany, and we are making robots for logistics. So this robot is Toru. Toru is a robot that is able to autonomously navigate, locate in an existing warehouse or a new warehouse, and is able to also locate and pick boxes, single objects, transport them and prepare them for further logistic processes. This makes this solution unique, as far as we know, because it is the only one that autonomously is able to localize, navigate, perceive and grasp objects. So it is the only solution to really solve the whole process of picking, completely autonomous. So with zero need of humans in an existing warehouse, but also compatible with humans, which means that if there is a peak and it is easier to put humans and robots, they can completely work together in the whole warehouse without changing anything. Also, the warehouse is just existing. The robot is able to unstack boxes. It's able to unstack up to 3 boxes. The system works with the suction cups. It is able to pull